Okay, another equation of the tangent line equation. This time we have this curve and we want the tangent line to be at 0, 1/2. Let's find the slope of the tangent line first, which is just the derivative, right? So let's go ahead and differentiate this, and we will have to use the quotient rule because it has this over that. So let's go ahead and put down dy dx. All right, let's go ahead and square the bottom before we forget. So we have 1 plus e to the x. How do we do the quotient rule? We keep the bottom function right here, so 1 plus e to the x, and then multiply by the derivative of the top. Derivative 1 is 0, derivative x is just 1. And then remember, we minus for the quotient rule, and we put down the top function, which is 1 plus x, times the derivative of the bottom. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So that's what we have. Now we can clean this up a little bit. So dy dx, this is just 1 plus e to the x. And let's distribute this, right? And also make sure you multiply the e to the x as well. So we have negative e to the x times that is just negative e to the x. And then negative x e to the x. Like that. And then we have the bottom is 1 plus e to the x squared. Notice this and that cancel, and that's the most that we can do. So we have the derivative being 1 minus x e to the x over 1 plus e to the x squared. Now if we want to find the slope, and this is the x value that we have, so the slope is when we have at x equals 0, we get the slope, which is just the derivative. Plugging 0 into all the x's, we get 1 minus 0 times e to the 0 over 1 plus e to the 0, and then we square that. The top is just 1, but the bottom, this right here is actually 1 plus 1, because this right here is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and then square that, we have 4. So the slope is 1 over 4. Oh, be careful with that. All right, this right here is x1, y1. Of course, let's go ahead and use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Plugging all the numbers, y minus y1, which is 1/2, equals the m, which is 1 over 4, times x minus x1, which is 0. Okay, so distribute this, which is just y minus 1/2 equals 1 over 4 x, and then bring this to the other side, y equals 1 over 4x plus 1 over 2. That being done, that being said, we are done. That's it.